So AJAC is a nonprofit apprenticeship service provider or an intermediary. So what does that mean? That means that we are the liaison between all of the stakeholders that participate in registered apprenticeship, like our community and technical colleges, K through 12 systems, employers, apprentices, workforce development boards, all of those things. So we are kind of the glue that holds everything together. So AJAC is actually expanded out into multiple industries that fall up underneath a broad umbrella of advanced manufacturing. So that includes not only aerospace, but includes space. It includes food process manufacturing. It includes biomedical. It includes defense. So we really do work with employers in multiple industries to be able to look at the workforce development needs and develop and implement programs that are needed in those industries.
We've found that, especially here in this region, finding skilled mechanics, industrial mechanics is actually really tough because if you have good skills, usually you're sought after. And there aren't a lot of people that have really good skills in that kind of trade.
We need to be able to provide that pipeline for employers. So in order for us as a state to remain competitive, we have to have a highly skilled workforce. We partner with over 300 employers. We serve about 400 plus apprentices per year.
The value of apprenticeship has really improved just the level of technical experience and knowledge that our employees have and they're able to bring to every workday.
AJAC is an employer-driven registered apprenticeship program. We work in multiple industries, but we are employer-led. So we really do listen to the feedback and take the feedback from employers. AJAC comes with programs already available, already established, that has been developed with and by employers. So employers don't have to develop that curriculum. But what we also do is we also bring the on-the-job piece of that. So we provide mentor training. We work with employers to be able to help them structure their rotations around their organization, just to make sure that that apprentice is going to be well-rounded.
If the apprentices come up with issues, they have support services, or what you would call wraparound services, and they partner with what they can't provide. They partner with local organizations like myself to make sure that the apprentices are whole and don't have needs while going through their apprenticeship program.
What makes me passionate about apprenticeship is it's an additional way to learn, right? Many of us have gone through the traditional routes of education and training, which looks like college, right? I myself went through that. But what I also learned is that I learn and I work well with my hands, right? And it's a different way to learn, and I think the more that we are able to expose individuals to that method of learning and training, I think that just kind of helps us not only as a community, a state, and a nation, but really as a whole. Because a lot of people either don't want to go through the traditional means of training or they can't afford it. It provides them an opportunity to learn, but it also opens up the world to them to be able to understand what the great jobs, the great careers that are available within different industries, be it advanced manufacturing, building and construction trades, or any of the other industries that are out there.